Hello and welcome to the Fixit Shed. So today I'm going to be doing an oil change on my 2002 Honda Rebel 250. So let's get started. Alright, so the drain plug actually faces the left side of the bike. It's right here. There's this little rubber guard which is there, I guess, to protect the area. So it's kind of cramped under here, but I'm going to try and film the best that I can. Alright, now I am going to use a 17mm box end wrench to loosen, the drain plug. Ooh. I did just have the bike running, so the engine is warm. I have since pulled the carburetor out, so I can't run it again. There we go. Alright, and I'm going to let that drain for a good long while because the oil is used for the transmission as well as the engine, so you want to make sure as much of it drains out as you can. So I'm probably going to let it go for about 20 minutes or so. Okay, so this flap is to keep the oil from getting all over your exhaust. So I'm going to put the drain plug back in. There we go. Alright, so this should be tightened to 18 foot-pounds, but I can't get in there with my torque wrench, so I'm gonna just use my box end wrench. Alright, now we also want to drain what they call the Puke Tube. So it's this right here. It's just got a hose clamp on, pinch clamp. We're going to take that, move it up and out of the way. Come on. Okay. Actually, do we need to do that? Probably hasn't been taken off in 20 years. That was gross. Puke tube emptied. Alright, so we've drained the oil and the puke tube. So we want to put oil back in the engine, and I want to recommend that you get a specific oil for motorcycles, like this Honda GN4 4-stroke motorcycle oil. Do not use automotive oils because they have additives. This oil also lubricates the clutch, and the additives will make the clutch slip. So you definitely don't want something that says that it's an energy conserving oil. So, and the Honda Rebel takes 1.6 quarts. So I'm just going to pour from this gallon jug until I get down to around that I've poured out 1.5 quarts. So it should be about 2.5 left in the gallon. So, and then I'm going to check the oil and make sure that it's full. All right, so now to check the oil, first you need to have, the motorcycle has to be upright. So I'm going to move some things around and then I'm going to do that. Okay, that's about halfway up the thatched area. We want to make sure it is full. 3/4. And that's full right up to the top. All right, so we've drained the oil, we drained the puke tube, and we filled it with oil to the top of the thatched level on the dipstick. So the Honda Rebel 250 does not have an external oil filter. It has an internal screen to filter the oil, and that needs to be cleaned periodically. I'd be interested to hear what your opinion is as far as how often does that really need to be cleaned. I've seen some people say that they clean it every other oil change, and other people have gone 10,000 miles and then cleaned it. So I'd be interested to hear what you guys think is the right interval for cleaning the oil screen. So I've created a playlist of videos about this bike. If you want to click on that right over here, that'll send you into a whole list of other videos that I've made about this bike. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Take care.